Hey everyone, it's Char from Char's Fascination. So today I'm cooking two different ways. I have a pan of chicken here in the air fryer, and I have a pan of chicken here in the oven. Now what I'm going to do is compare after they're all done is how they will taste. So that is something that I'm doing today. I just have my hair pulled back. So that's something I am doing today. So you can kind of count this as a cooking with Char. And of course I will make a side to go with this. Now, how do I decide which way I'm going to cook that side? In the oven or the air fryer? I love the oven. The air fryer does cook quicker than the air fryer when it comes down to a particular thing. Like if we just want a meal to be cooked real quick, I'll use the air fryer. If I just want to take my time cooking, Rob's thinking about let's just get like a double or a triple crock pot, which we have been looking into, and I found some at some really good prices. So you can even do a low and slow. Don't mind the kitchen, you know it's not finished yet. So there is a point of maybe cook on a low and slow, just because you can always do that. So later I will just edit this together and it's all good and yummy. We'll be back. Okay, I already put barbecue sauce on the ones out in the air fryer, and now I'm going to pull these and bring that up here. Give me one moment, please. Now, when you're baking the chicken, because we still have to buy a new barbecue grill, that's why we're just roasting the chicken today. So when the bone is actually that color and the skin is receding back, I mean, it's not fully cooked yet. So this is kind of a test between what cooks it better, because you see how that's still pink? We won't be eating pink meat, especially chicken. So over here, like this only has 3 minutes to go and I already have barbecue sauce on it. That this is finally cooked, so many minutes later, I'm just going to take the lid off. Hold on. So I'm going to put this back in and just let the barbecue sauce adhere to the chicken. So what we're going to do when we come back is have some chicken from each pan with some tater tots, because why the hell not, and it's easy. So yeah. So now it is time. Now if you don't do this right, you're going to accidentally set this to broil. So it is now time to take that chicken out. And I'm going to take it out in the other room. Okay, you can't tell which pan is which in this light, which is fine. So I will plate from this one, a piece from this one, a piece from this one, and some tater tots. I decided no cheese, just tots for thoughts. That sounds wrong. Anyway, we'll be right back. So we are back over here. We're all three about to do what is what and which one tastes better. Okay, so the one that looks darker is the first one I think we should try. Everybody see their dark piece of chicken? The one that's darker. One has more flow of barbecue sauce and the other one's darker. That one, Rocco. No, the other one.
Oh, pepper.
Let me see your plate. Rocco from Roaming with Rocco is here with that. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you're right. Okay. So. That is good. Okay. So. Everybody get a bite of that one?
I'm working on it. You know my difficulty.
Rob will not touch. It's an MRE flashback thing. Before the MREs open on the long side. You used to just open on the top and you had like a long fork or a long spoon and that shit would smell bad.
Yeah, but you always got it on.
Yeah, I always got it on your sleeve and then you're like this and it smells like dog food. Blah. Okay, so everybody got a bite of that, right?
Yeah.
Now, for a bite of the other one. Mmm. I just pick it up and eat it. I think they're both good.
Yeah, they're absolutely both, yeah, good.
Okay, so what's your guys' thoughts?
Tastes like chicken.
Yeah, but flavor factor. Good, bad, dry, juicy.
I like them both. I don't favor one over another. I like them both.
Well, the darker one, to me, just me, tastes smoky. This one, also tastes smoky, but to my taste buds, look, I'm just gonna keep things real. To my taste buds, one has a bolder smoky flavor and the other one has a lighter smoky flavor, but they're both really good. So this is one of my oven versus air fryer, which one tastes good or better. Honestly, okay, honestly, you guys, which one tastes better? The darker one, by the way, is air fry. The one with the more sauce on it is the oven.
If you're going to
Huh?
force me to pick the dark one,
The dark one.
if you're going to force me to pick,
I'm not going to force you to pick.
I like them both.
Okay, so is it equal? Rocco's nodding his head yes. Okay, it's equal on this one. So stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. I'm going to eat the rest of this, and I'll see you in the next one. Now I have content for tomorrow. Now remember, the only thing that I could say is the big difference, that's why I'm putting this at the end of this, is the air fryer is efficient for time. Now remember that. An air fryer is completely different than using your basic stove oven combo. And pretty soon, you never know, we might be doing baking and seeing which is quicker and more efficient and makes things taste better. So why not?